what mistakes leaders are doing right now in the industry, because still in the industry no one is leveraging AI in an effective way. What do you think?
Yeah, 2026, right? I mean, I'll just take a step backward 2 to 3 years back, or close to 4 years back, where ChatGPT, I think in September, right, it launched. A lot of noise was happening there. Where I was there, in one of the service companies, I was working there. I was very closely watching what's happening in that space. Even I was very impressed at the time. Hey, it will replace the tester. It will, try to do one of magics, right? And at the same time, even for the stakeholders of the management or the companies or an organization, even for them also, it was going on. Hey, you can do many things like what you guys are doing. Then just do it, because customers, we want to show them the value. So at that time, definitely it was not that matured. We keep hearing a lot of technical jargons here and there. Someone talk RAG, embedding, so many things. No one know what is that. And then I remember I learned LangChain. A lot of text. The AI tech stack is totally different. We will see later. And the one question, what I always when I was working with this, right? Does it really impact customers, or does it add a value? I was thinking in that direction. I was trying to implement, but when I go to the stakeholders, the management, the scenario is different. As you asked the question, right? So the leverage, what I would say at present, still people are struggling. I mean, they use it definitely. Everyone is using it nowadays. But what matters is that really the customer needs, right? What quality that we are giving to the customers, and what is the outcome? These are the 3 things I see. But the 4th is very important: the security and the governance. Right? They won't think about it. Hey, my customer is asking for this use case, one of the banking application. I'm saying based on my experience, they want to convert, from mainframes, I believe, or COBOL, right? They were doing a migration, right, to the modern applications, right, modern React or whatever. So we built an application where that would convert to the latest tech stack. That worked, right? The moment we go to the demo of the device, all fine, but customers still ask, "You are sharing my code. How did you generate?" The code all went to models that whatever you're using, if you say Microsoft Azure, Grok, Llama, Meta, whatever, they don't care, right? I mean, that's a very important question we used to get it, and we never prepared.